Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about the best settings for HyperX Cloud 3. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you want to install Ingenuity from Microsoft Store and update the firmware. Then, turn on mic monitoring in Engine because they have amazing side tone. Also, DTS:X Inuit stays off and you don't need any equalizers in their balance. Then, install DTS Unborn from Microsoft Store, open DTS Unborn and turn on DTS headphones and DTS:X. Next, go to System Sound, open the headphones settings and then follow the instructions. Set audio enhancements to off and set special sound to DTS headphones. After that, restart the device and enjoy. Now, this is how it must look like. Volume 20, left channel 20, right channel 20, audio volume, and microphone full. Anyways, if you guys would like to check it out, its link is in the description. So that's basically all about the best settings for HyperX Cloud 3. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.